Working in flood-prone areas means you gotta be super smart about stuff like elevated foundations and waterproofing methods, or your work could get wrecked. Okay, so first things first. When you're setting up a home in a spot that floods, raising the foundation is key. Like, literally build the house higher than the usual flood level. Next, waterproofing is not just some fancy idea, it's a must-have to keep water out. You gotta use sealants and membranes that really block water from sneaking in through walls or floors. Don't forget about drainage systems. Make sure water flows away from the house easily by designing gutters, downspouts, and even grading the land around the building. For materials, avoid stuff that just soaks up water or rots fast. Instead, go for flood-resistant materials like concrete, pressure-treated wood, or metal. Another tip is to keep electrical systems elevated and safe from water damage. And lastly, always plan for easy cleanup after flooding, like using materials that dry fast or won't get ruined if they get wet. One of the biggest mistakes contractors make in flood-prone areas is ignoring the importance of elevated foundations. If you build too low, water's gonna find its way in and cause serious damage. The fix? Always check local flood maps and code requirements to build higher than the predicted flood level. Another common screw-up is skimping on waterproofing methods. Using cheap or wrong materials lets water seep in and mess everything up. The solution here is investing in proven waterproof membranes and sealants and applying them properly. Third, bad drainage system design can leave water pooling around the house, which leads to long-term damage and mold issues. To fix this, design drainage that moves water away fast and maintain it regularly so it never clogs. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to tricky projects like floodproofing. It also helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who need reliable pros nearby.